It's 3:47 a.m. You're awake again. And here's what nobody's telling you. Your doctor knows exactly why this is happening, but 90% of them will never explain it to you. Why? Because what I'm about to show you can't be prescribed. It can't be billed, and it works better than any sleeping pill on the market. Let me prove it. A 67-year-old woman named Martha hadn't slept more than 4 hours a night in 3 years. Her doctor prescribed Ambien. It made her groggy, confused, and she still woke up at 2 a.m. Then she discovered what I'm about to share with you. 30 days later, she was sleeping 7 hours straight. No medication, no side effects, just 5 simple changes. And she's not alone. A 2023 Harvard Medical School study tracked 1,847 adults over 60. Those who used this exact protocol saw a 67% reduction in nighttime awakenings in just 8 weeks. But here's what makes me angry. Most doctors never mention this. They just hand you a prescription and say, it's normal aging. It's not normal, and it's not permanent. In the next 12 minutes, I'm going to show you the Stanford-backed protocol that's restoring deep sleep to thousands of seniors. But you need to watch every second, because if you miss step 3, nothing else will work. Your body hasn't forgotten how to sleep. It's just speaking a language you don't understand yet. Let me translate. So let's start with what actually changed in your body after 60 and why nobody talks about it. Your brain produces 50% less melatonin than it did at 30. Everyone knows that. But here's what they don't tell you. The real problem isn't low melatonin. It's that your internal thermostat is broken. Think of your body like a smartphone. When the battery overheats, it shuts down to protect itself. Your sleep works the same way, but in reverse. Your body needs to drop its core temperature by 2 to 3 degrees to trigger deep sleep. After 60, that temperature drop becomes sluggish. Sometimes it doesn't happen at all. You feel exhausted, but your body temperature says, stay alert. A 2022 National Institute on Aging study found that seniors spend 30% less time in deep sleep, not because of illness, but because their temperature won't drop. But here's the breakthrough that changes everything. UC Berkeley tested 284 seniors with a simple 2-part protocol. Part 1, cool bedroom 65 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Part 2, warm bath 90 minutes before bed. Result, they fell asleep 36% faster and stayed asleep 44% longer. Why does this work? The warm bath tricks your body. It raises your temperature temporarily. When you step out, your body compensates by cooling rapidly, mimicking the natural drop it used to create on its own. One 69-year-old said 3 nights. That's all it took. I slept 4 hours straight for the first time in 5 years. Now here's where most people make a critical mistake. They fix the temperature, but ignore the second switch. And that switch is in your eyes. Your aging eye lens has yellowed. It now blocks 60% of blue wavelength light, the exact frequency your circadian clock needs to function. Here's the shocking part. A 2021 study found that seniors need 3 times more light than younger adults just to maintain a normal sleep-wake cycle. 3 times. Your brain is trying to set your internal clock while wearing sunglasses in a dark room. So here's the protocol, and this is critical. Every morning, within 30 minutes of waking, get direct outdoor light in your eyes for 10 minutes. No sunglasses, not through a window, outside. Northwestern University tested this for just 2 weeks with 167 seniors. Fell asleep 43 minutes earlier. Night awakenings dropped 28%. Mood improved 39%. Morning light creates a boundary. Your brain learns light means awake. Darkness means sleep. But after 8 p.m., you must do the opposite. Dim everything. Blue light from screens delays your melatonin surge by 2 hours. That's why your bedtime keeps drifting later and later. Now, even with perfect temperature and light, there's a third system that's sabotaging your sleep. And this one is hidden deep in your nervous system. Don't skip ahead in exactly 7 minutes. I'm giving you the complete 5-step protocol. But if you miss what I'm about to tell you next, steps 1 and 2 won't work. This is the missing piece. Let me tell you about something that happened in 2023 that changed everything we know about senior sleep. Yale researchers discovered something shocking. 78% of seniors with insomnia had normal melatonin levels, normal circadian rhythms, normal everything. So why couldn't they sleep? Their stress hormones were still elevated even when they felt completely calm. Here's what's happening. Your vagus nerve is the master switch between alert mode and rest mode. After 60, this switch becomes stuck. Even if your day was peaceful, your body might still be holding tension from something that happened hours earlier. Cortisol lingers. Your heart rate stays elevated. Your muscles stay tense. And your brain stays vigilant. But here's the manual override, and this takes 90 seconds. The 4-7-8 breathing technique, developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, validated by Stanford. Breathe in through your nose 4 counts. Hold 7 counts. Exhale slowly through your mouth 8 counts. Repeat 4 times. Johns Hopkins tested this with 189 seniors for 4 weeks. Fell asleep 22 minutes faster. Night awakenings dropped 51%. Sleep quality improved 63%. But wait, there's one more silent sleep thief. And this one wakes you at the exact same time every night. Do you wake at 2 a.m., 330 a.m., heart pounding, wide awake? That's not anxiety. That's your blood sugar crashing. After 60, if you eat dinner at 6 p.m. and nothing else, your blood sugar drops dangerously low around 2 to 4 a.m. Your body releases adrenaline to raise it back up. And that adrenaline surge? That's your 3 a.m. alarm clock. Mayo Clinic used continuous glucose monitors on 326 seniors. 64% had nocturnal hypoglycemia without knowing it. The fix is shockingly simple. Eat a small protein snack 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Almond butter, hard-boiled egg, handful of nuts. Brigham and Women's Hospital tested this. Middle-of-the-night awakenings dropped 58% within 2 weeks. One 68-year-old man, I ate a handful of almonds for 1 week. I woke up at 6 a.m. naturally. I forgot what that felt like. Now here's where everything comes together into one simple system. If this is finally making sense, hit that like button right now. And subscribe, because what I'm about to show you next is the exact 5-step protocol used in the Stanford study. This is the part that changes everything. This is the Stanford light movement method. It synchronizes all 4 systems: temperature, light, nervous system, and blood sugar. 5 minutes every morning for 30 days. Stanford tested this with 342 adults over 60. Here's what happened. 71% fell asleep significantly faster. 68% eliminated night awakenings. 74% woke feeling rested. 62% regained the daytime energy. But here's the key: you must do all 5 steps in order. Every day, miss 1 and the system breaks down. Write this down right now. Step 1, outdoor light within 30 minutes of waking. 10 minutes. No sunglasses. No windows. Direct sunlight on your face. This resets your circadian clock and stops residual melatonin instantly. Step 2, gentle movement immediately. Walk your yard. Light stretches. Just move. Movement raises your core temperature and signals day has begun. Step 3, drink 16 ounces of water. Your body is dehydrated after 8 hours. Hydration supports temperature regulation and helps clear sleep metabolites from your brain. Step 4, protein within the first hour. Eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese. This stabilizes blood sugar for 12 plus hours and prevents the afternoon crash that ruins your sleep timing. Step 5, set your evening light boundary now. Decide this morning after 8 p.m. all screens dim or off. Use blue light glasses or warm lighting only. This protects your melatonin surge tonight. That's it. 5 steps, 5 minutes. Now let me show you what happens when you actually do this. Remember Martha? The 67-year-old who hadn't slept in 3 years? Week 1, still waking up, but falling back asleep in minutes instead of hours. Week 2, 5 hours straight. First time in years. Week 4, 7 hours. No medication. She told me I got my independence back. I can drive safely. I can think clearly. I'm not afraid of my nights anymore. But here's the critical part most people miss. This isn't about trying harder to sleep. It's about giving your body the signals it's desperately asking for. Your body hasn't forgotten how to sleep. It's just waiting for clear instructions. Stay for 30 more seconds. I'm about to give you the one bonus tip that amplifies everything we just covered. Skip this and you'll sabotage your own progress. Power recap bonus tip. Let me lock this in for you. System 1, temperature. Cool bedroom 65 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, plus warm bath 90 minutes before bed equals 36% faster sleep onset. System 2, light. 10 minutes outdoor sunlight every morning, plus dim lights after 8 p.m. equals 43-minute earlier bedtime. System 3, nervous system. 4-7-8 breathing before bed equals 51% fewer night awakenings. System 4, blood sugar. Protein snack before bed equals 58% reduction in 3 a.m. wake-ups. System 5, morning reset. Light, movement, water, protein, evening boundary equals complete circadian synchronization. Now here's the bonus amplifier that nobody talks about. Keep your wake time consistent even on weekends. Your brain craves predictability more than extra sleep. Same wake time every day equals stronger circadian rhythm equals deeper sleep within 7 days. Here's the truth your doctors should have told you. Your sleep isn't gone. It's not lost to aging. It's not something you have to accept. Your body still remembers how to rest deeply. You just need to speak its language. And now you know the words. If this video just changed how you understand your sleep, I need you to do 4 things right now. Not later, right now. First, hit that like button. This tells YouTube to show this life-changing information to more people who are suffering in silence. Second, subscribe and turn on notifications. Third, screenshot the 5-step protocol. Go back 2 minutes, screenshot it, and start tomorrow morning. 30 days from now, come back and tell me what changed. Fourth, share this video. Right now, someone you know, a spouse, parent, or friend, is lying awake at 3 a.m. thinking this is just how life is now. Send them this video. You might save their independence. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you starting with the warm bath, the morning sunlight, the protein snack? I read every single comment and I want to hear from you. Martha got her life back in 30 days, so can you. Your nights don't have to be a battle anymore. I'll see you in the next video. Now go reclaim your sleep. After 60 Health Lab, your body is still capable of deep rest and healing at any age. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your sleep or supplement routine.